Hi guys, today we will continue our last unit. It's percentage, yeah. And which title it was 11.3 uh, finding percentages. There are times when you need to write one number as a percentage of another. For example, from fraction form, how can you convert to percentage? For example, here I'm writing, okay, sorry, Control P. Okay, and here 1 over 5 is our infraction form. And what is the percentage form? 1 over 5 or 1/5. So as you remember, the denominator must be is equal to 100. Okay, that's why we can multiply with the 20 denominators, and then after also we should multiply the numerators also. So 1 times 20 is 20, or 5 times 20 is 100. So the result, it must be equal to 120, 100. Am I right? So when you convert to 100, now you can write in a percentage form. The numerator is our percentage, of course, 20%. So 1 over 5 or 1/5 is equal to 20%. Not, of course, 1 over 2, 5, but only 1 is 20% of 5. Okay? So 1 is 20% of 5. 1 over 5 is equal to 20 over 100. And here are some examples. If writing a price, increase a percentage. Increase the percentage. For example, when you buy the new car from Badar, okay, for example, $5,000, $5,000, and the next year it's increasing, okay, it's increasing by 5%. What is a new price, for example? Okay, you can calculate it. And finding the percentage of people who are unemployed, unemployed, okay, and estimating the percentage change in a population. To write one number as a percentage of another, write the numbers in the form of fraction and then change the fraction to percentage. Okay, so if the numbers are simple, you can do this mentally. For more complicated numbers, use the calculator. And there we have worked examples. Uh, there are 40 people on a bus and 28 are women. And others, how many people are men? Of course, 12. Now, because the total we have 40 people, and from 40, 28 are women. What is the percentage? In fraction form, you can write 28 is the woman, and a total we have 40 people. Okay, now you can convert to percentage, because 28 is 28 are women of the group. Okay, and the others, of course, 12 or 40. When you add them, you can find a 1. Okay, and 1 is 100%. So how can you convert to percentage, from fraction to percentage? Of course, if your denominator can multiply by 100, or how can I say, convert to 100. So as you see here, we have 40, and when I multiply 2.5 with a 2.5, and as a result is equal to 100. And also you should multiply by numerator 2.5. Okay, 2.5 times 28, and it's 70. Am I right? It's 70, maybe. Yes, 70 or 100. So answer is 70%. It's first way. And the second way, uh, a split way. Okay, you can use the divide by division way. 28 or 40. Okay, 28 or 40. It means 0.7, and it's in decimal form. You can convert to percentage form. It's equal to 70%. as you see, the results are the same. And here also, the fraction who are women is 28 or 40, or you can simplify that by 4. The answer is 7 or 10, or 70% are women. It's easy to cancel two numbers to give a simple fraction. 1 over 10 is equal to 10%, so 7 over 10 is 70%. The others is 12 men. How many percent? Of course, 30%. And the next question, on Monday, the bus carried 364 passengers and 157 were women. What percentage were women? First of all, we need to find the number of total people. We have how many people? 364 passengers and 157 is or were women. So from the 157, okay, you can take that from the 364, it's totally, and from that woman number is 157, or you can write in fraction form 157, or total number of people, passengers, of course, 364, and you can divide it by the 157 divided by 364 because it's more than 100, and it's not easier to convert to 100 or 1000. That's why we can use the split way. Okay, normal way, you can divide by that. The answer must be equal to 0.431. Okay, so the answer is of course not 0.431, but you can take only 43% or 43.1% of passengers are women. Now let's read the explanation. The fraction who are women is the number of women divided by or over the total passengers number, okay? And this fraction does not cancel to a simple fraction, okay? That's why divided to find the equivalent decimal, 157 divided by 364 is equal to 0.431. After that, okay, you can multiply with the 100 to take it, get a percentage, run the answer if necessary. And totally, the result is 43.1% of the passengers are women. And see, on Tuesday, there were 427 passengers. What is the percentage increase in the number of passengers? Okay, on Tuesday there were 427 passengers, and what is the percentage increase in the number of passengers? Okay, the increase 427 subtract or minus 346 sorry 64, okay, and a Monday, as you see, it was 364, and the difference is 63, okay, 63. And what is the increase of passengers? Of course, in percentage form. What can we do with that? Okay, the 63 divided by the last day's numbers or passengers, 364, okay, 364, and times we can use this 100 to convert to percentage, or first of all we can find the this problem, this expression, and you'll find 173, and you can multiply by 100 is equal to 17.3% is increased. Okay, divided by the initial number of passengers, 364, not by 427. And the next page, here are some examples. The first example, option A, Anders test marks are shown in the box. Okay, 6 subject he has got. Change each of them to a percentage. Okay, so 7 out of 10. What does it mean? 7 out of 10, or 7 over 10, or you can convert to 100 is equal to 70 over 100, or in percentage form 70 percentage, of course. Okay, the science is 70%. And history or English, 37 over 50 is also the divisible of 100. You can multiply by 2, and numerator also you can multiply by 2. And here we have 74 over 100 is equal to 74%. Okay, and the history, you can multiply by 5. The denominator is 20, and also you can multiply 70 by 5, and you get a 85. 17 times 5, and 50 plus 35 is 85. Okay, it was 85. And the math, what is the math? You can use the simple way, or you can use divide by 67 or 70. I mean, you will take 83. Okay, you can use the calculator. Let's use the calculator. And 67 divided by 70, sorry, 80, it's 83. Okay, 83. And okay, so geography, it was, I mean, 67. Yes, it was 67. And art was 56. Okay, which subject gave him the best mark? Okay, which one is more than others? Of course, history is 85%, okay, from 100. And the math is secondly because it's 83 from the 100. Okay, the next question. There are 753 students in a college. Okay, in a college, we have 753 students. And from these students, female are 419. Okay, 19. 419 of them are women or female. What percentage of the students are female? So we have, right, the number of female and divided by total number of students, 753. Okay, you can use the calculator, of course. It's not, because it's not simple fraction. That's why you can use this calculator. 419 divided by 753 is equal to 55% women or female. The word percentage of the students are male, of course, 100, or whole percentage, 100, and minus 55, it's of course is equal to 45 of the students are male. And in a children's club, there are 23 girls and 14 of them wear glasses. There are 42 boys and 12 of them wear glasses. Okay, so let's read again. In the children's club, there were 23 girls and 14 of them were glasses. Okay, so if you remember from here, you can calculate first of all how many percentage of the girls wear glasses. 14 over the number of girls or boys, or totally. There are 24 boys and from glasses. What's the percent of girls wear glasses? If it's mixed, okay, if it's mixed club, you can take a total number of boys and girls. There are 42 boys, okay, and there we have 23 girls, and totally we have 65, okay. 65 of them girls wear glasses, okay. It's a percentage of the girls, a total class, total club. And yes, and 12 of them wear glasses from boys. Of course, you can use 12 point or 65. Okay, you will get a percentage of the boys who wear glasses, okay, from all total club, and what percent of the girls is here. What percentage of the boys wear glasses? Okay, it's here. What percentage are of all the children wear glasses? The total we have 14 and 12 is 26. And total number of boys and girls, of course, 65. It's of course not simple fraction. You can use the calculator. 26 divided by 65 is equal to 0.4 or 40% of the children wear glasses. Okay, and the cost of the airplane flight increases from $250 to $295. And what's the difference? Of course, $45. $45. Okay, and the question is, what is the increase? What is the percentage increase? Increase is $45. Okay, and $45 of 250, how many percentage? Okay, so if you'll take the 250 is 100%. Okay, and what is the increase of this, or $25 of this number is equal to, you can use the cross production. Okay, so x times it's x percentage. Okay, and 100 times 45 divided by 250, zero simplifying, and 25 divided by 5, it's 5. We have also 9, and 10 over 5 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so the percentage increases 18%. Okay, the title number is 11.4 using percentages. The price of a scarf increased from $20, okay, to $25. Okay, you can see the difference, of course, $5. Or how many percent? Okay, if it's our 100%, 20 is 100%, and the $5 is, of course, $5 is quarter of 20, so 25%. Okay, so 25% is she also, you can see the price of the scarf increased by 25%, and the price of the coat increased from $100 to $105. Of course, also its difference is $5. Okay, the difference are the same, $5, $5, $5, but their percentage are exactly different. Why? Because the amount are not same. Okay, so 5 is the quarter of 20, but 5 is not quarter of 100. Okay, so and the price of the coat increased by 5%. And the second way, and the first scarf price is with an increase by 25%. Both prices have increased by the same amount, but they have not increased by the same percentage. Okay, so the first way is 25% increasing by 25%, and the second code increase by 5%. Okay, so percentage are the better way than amounts to compare the changes of these sort. Okay. Okay, we can use the compare of some, how can I say, some things, and there we have worked example. There are 247 people at a concert, and okay, the total we have 247, and 103 of them children. Okay, so and what's the question? How many percentage of the children or adults? Okay, how can you find it? Of course, you can write the total number in this denominator. It was 247, and from them were children 103. is equal to, you can use, of course, the calculator. 103 divided by 247 is equal to 41% of children. Then 59 percentages are adults. There are 305 children and 527 adults at a football match, which had a larger proportion of children. Okay. Okay. So how can you find it? Okay, you can take first of all the total number of the football match. The how can I say? Um, the total number of in football match. How many? There are people. 305 plus 527 is equal to 832. Okay, the total number of 832, and from them 305 are children. Okay, 305, or the total number is 832. And what is the percentage of children? I mean, it's 36 percent, 36%, and which had a larger proportion of children. Of course, at concert, it was 41 in integer form, okay? And the second football match, suppose only 36 36% of the children it was, okay? So this is the, okay, 100, compare the proportion of each percentage. Okay, so as a result, 41% at a concert were larger than football match. And we have some exercise examples. Change these fractions to percentages. Okay, it's not simple fraction, okay, because the denominator, it's not even numbers, or it's prime numbers, and we cannot change, we cannot convert to 100, okay. And also 38, it's also okay, it's even numbers, but we cannot change, we cannot convert to 100. And what can we do? Only you can use the simple way. 13 or 17 is equal to, what is the 13 over 17? Okay, it's, I mean, 76. Okay, you can use the calculator, we haven't any more time. It's 76%. And the second one is 27 divided by 38 is equal to 71%. And the last one, 69 divided by 93 is 74. Okay, write each fraction in order from the smallest to largest. Smallest in the middle of smallest. Okay, it's first from smallest to largest, and the second is third number, third, okay, fraction, and the largest one is first fraction. That's why you can write the last of them. Okay, and then the second question. This table shows the ages of students in 3 colleges. Okay, and school, the name of schools: New College, City College, and State College. And age under 13 is in New College. There are 141 students, and 13 or more than 13 are 291, and blah blah blah. So what was the question? This table shows the age of students in 3 colleges. There is, we forgotten the question. Okay, which college students are more than 13 or more than 13 or more than 13? Which college is, how can I say, younger than others? Okay, how can I calculate it? How can you calculate it? Okay, for example, you can take the New College. Okay, the total number of New College, how many students? If you add them, 2, 3, 4. The total students of New College is 432. And from them, 141 are under the 13, okay, or 7th grade. Uh, hmm. We can write 141 divided by the total number of students, okay? And the others also you can use, okay? So the total number of city college is 193, and under 13 students, 183. And the last one also, we can write here, the total number of students, 6, 2, and 5, 526. And under 13 is 254 students. Okay, now we can find the percentage of under 13 age. Okay, the first college or new college, how many percent of under 13 students? 141 divided by 432. It's 32%. Where's my pen? Okay, 32%. 32%. Sorry. And the second college or city college, how many percent of school under 13 years? 183 divided by 391 is equal to 46. It's 46% students are under 13 years. And the last college, state college, it was 254 divided by 526. It's 48. Okay, is equal to 48%. So in a last college or in stage college, the number of students was 526, and from then 48% of the students are under 13 years old. That's why in stage college are younger than other two schools or two colleges. Okay, and the next one, of course, 46% from city college, and the last one is 32% off from new college. And the last question, it's for you. Please solve it and leave your comment to comment part on YouTube. And I see you for your attention. Thank you very much. See you the next lesson. Keep you healthy.